100. All right, we're full in. I think it breaks 310 here, and it goes down. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's take this down a little bit further. You know what? We'll take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. Nice. Nice. A quick 70, a little over 70 cents. It might drop a little bit more, but it is up for the morning, and it could catch a bid down there and just shoot right back up. The market's climbing. But I saw that area there where it was just about, it broke that area, but it didn't break 310. And that was my cue. And I could have probably get a little bit more, but I'm not going to leave 70 cents on the table. I'm going to take a Roku long here at the bid. Stock's been pretty strong lately, so I think this is just a dip here. All right, we're in at 101. It might drop a little bit more here, but I think after this dip here, we can bring this up to at least a point. So target will be 102. Stop loss will be around 125 area, and target. I like 102, but I will scalp it too if I have to, if the market starts to turn around. But this stock has been strong lately. Yesterday the market tanked and this thing just climbed. So why did it just tank now? All right. All right, we're going to try this right here if we can. All right, I'm going to push this down. It's taking too long here. Get a little bit down. Chasing the price, but it's not hitting me. All right, we're going to come out of this right here. All right, we're out. We're out with a 40-cent winner. I didn't trust it. The longer I was in the trade, I started losing trust in it climbing because the market's starting to tip a little bit here. So that's okay. We got 40 cents. I'll take that over a loss any day. Good thing we got out of it. Look at Roku here. Looks like it's about to crack 101 now. Now, if it does crack 101 here, this thing will drop another 2 points. Easy. So maybe we'll revisit later. We're going to take nflx for another short here at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we're in. We're in at 306.60. We took it earlier. We took about 70 cents and we shorted it up at the top and it's still dropping. Now, we think it still has more drop in it because of the market. The market's still dropping here, so we're going to let this thing fluctuate here for a little bit. Stop loss on this will be about a point, and we'll try to get a point out of it too. All right, it's coming up on our stop loss here. Stop loss is going to be around over 307.50 area. So we're at our stop loss here. All right, we're going to come out of the trade right here. The market's starting to wake up a little bit here, so we're going to come out. All right, we're out of 100. All right, I'm going to come out of this thing. All right, we're out. We're out with a little over a point loser on this thing. Yeah, the market started to turn a little green, and this thing's down. This thing can easily go back up and squeeze really hard, and So we took about, what is that, a little over a point loser on that. It's okay, we'll get it back. TSLA, we're going to take this for a long here at the bid if we can get hit. Looks like it wants to continue to climb here. All right, we're in TSLA at 230.02. Daily doesn't look good for a long, but intraday it gapped up and it had a sell-off. So now it's being bought up again. Market is trying to climb. We had one red candle in the market, but other than that, we got green. So I think this the stock will go at least up to 231, close to it anyway, and stop loss will be around 229, point each way, give or take. TSLA, let's take this up a little closer here. It's got momentum here. Not much volume though, but all right, we got 60 cents. We're going to take this right here if we can. We can at least get a half of what we lost on the other one. All right, we are out. All right, we're out with close to 60-cent winner, which is fine. Take that. nflx, we're going to take this for another short right here. It tried to climb, and I think it's done climbing for today. All right, we're in. We got 100. All right, we're full in. We're full in at 307.24. This is our third trade on it. We took it earlier, and we took about 70-cent winner. And then we took it. We took it for a short earlier, and we lost a little over a point on it. But if it didn't climb here, I don't think it's going to climb, even if it fluctuates there for a little bit. But stop loss will be over 308 somewhere, around 308.25. A point either way, because you got to give this thing breathing room. It's a big price stock. If you don't, you're going to lose every time. nflx, it's at our stop area, so we're just going to let it breathe here for a second. I don't think it has juice to climb today. This thing was at 301 yesterday. I think it was 301 after hours. So I think it goes back there today. And the market hasn't made a decision yet, so. nflx, still in it. Still anticipating this thing to drop here. If you look at the daily here on Netflix, you got a lot of bag holders in this. Look at this. All these people that bought up here and are waiting for this thing to climb lose patience with it every time it drops a little bit more, so they'll sell a little bit more. nflx, right smack dab at entry. Market is telling us to stay in the trade, but we were losing on it quite a bit. Pretty much went to our stop area, and now we're at break even. Actually, we got 20 cents on this, but market saying stay in the trade, so we're going to stay in the trade. There we go. Let's take this up a little closer. Should move nice now. Okay. Market is putting in a really big fat red candle. All right, we're going to try to take this right here just in case. All right, we're out. We're out with 90 cents. We took about 90 cents, which I think it's going to crack 306 here. I really do, and continue. But I was losing on it, so I started thinking differently, and I still got them. Oh, there it goes. Boom. There it goes. We're going to take Roku here for a long at the bid if we can get hit. This thing's got hit hard today. And I think it's about to give us a nice bounce here. This thing has dropped 5, 6, 7 points. So it might drop a little bit more, but I think we get a nice bounce here. We're going to come out of this around, target will be about 99.50, and stop loss, I would say below 97.50. Yeah, 97.50, about a point each way. It's setting up for another drop here, but even with this drop, even if it drops here and it cracks 98, I think there's going to be enough short covering after that should bring the stock at least back up to 99.50. That's what I think. But, you never know. The stock could drop another 10 points just like that. And there it is. All right. It cracked. It cracked 98. So it might drop just a little bit more, and we'll see how it reacts at our stop. Our stop is 97.50 area. But this thing's going to, all right, we're there. We're there at the stop, so we'll let it breathe there for a little bit. You don't want to panic out of a trade just because it went to your stop. You can, but it's not good. Roku, all right. We just cracked right below our stop. It didn't give me a chance to even think about coming out once it went the second time. But it's fighting here. So that could be the end. That's a good sign of the end and a bounce coming. So This should be a good spot for a bounce. So we're gonna hold tight here. Stop will be now. If it goes below 97, we're out. Roku, all right, it's coming back to us here. That was a scare. That's a good sign. Usually when it does that, after all this, and it's a stock that's strong like Roku is, you're gonna get a nice bounce here. So we're still on track here. We're still thinking it's gonna go over 99. Now we'll probably take it around 99, maybe 99, close to 99, depending on how much momentum it has to the upside. Let's take this up a little closer. All right, we're pretty much back at entry. See, if you would have panicked out, you would have lost, and then it would have gone your way. But sometimes it doesn't. So Roku, it's looking good here. Roku, it's looking weak again. If it doesn't climb back up soon, at least back up to over 98, we're going to come out of it. Roku, all right, we're back over 98. It's looking good now. See if we can get this thing over 98.50. And if we can hit 99, I might think about taking it. Unless we got momentum, then we'll stay in the trade. The biggest reason I'm in this trade is because it was so strong yesterday. The market was dropping and dropping and dropping, and this sucker just climbed. Roku, all right, here we go. Coming up on 99. All right, we're going to try to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. Nice. Take that. It's probably going to go over now, but that's okay. That's okay. We took about close to 50 cents, but we were losing on that one. We were losing on that one pretty big, so that one caught me by surprise on that big red candle there. It just dropped, and it looked like it was going to climb, and then it dropped again. And then I was like, oh, now what? It had passed my my stop loss, but you can't panic out of these things, because if you do, that's not good. Safe bet is to put a stop loss, but it'll get hit a lot of times, So, but that's going to be it for us today. We had a good sized loser on nflx, which kind of made the morning a little bit more difficult. But we fought back, and we got it back up a bit. We're up 284. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades. 5 winners and 1 loser. Our biggest winner on nflx and our loser on nflx. Thanks for watching.